Hi, this is Paul from Boatshed, Lancashire, on this 2004 Culture Boats wide beam, 50 by 10. It's got a nice size galley here. It's private to the rest of the boat. See, built-in oven and grill. There's a small freezer up here, big enough for what you need, and then there's a fridge underneath as well. A 4-burner hob, stainless steel sink unit. Plenty of storage generally, really. And here we've got a built-in dresser unit, and there's a washing machine underneath there as well. The radiators hidden away. 3 radiators and a towel rail on this boat. When we come into the good size bathroom, got cassette toilet. There is a spare cassette for that as well. Stainless sink, built-in vanity units and storage underneath. What looks like a full-size, almost a full-size bathroom, bath, with a shower above, folding shower doors. And go past another radiator, obviously duck hatch on the right, and then in the large saloon area. Main thing about this, it's got the wood burning stove right smack in the middle. A little bit of storage on your right hand side. The settee's not staying with the boat, but you do have the benefit of again another large fitted dresser unit there with plenty of cupboards, drawers, etc. Plenty of space for storage essentially, and a television.